How's it going, guys? So back at it again. So as you've probably seen, I did a quick coat of paint in the bathroom. So when I get back in here tomorrow, I'll put another coat on it. It'll be nice and dry. What I'm going to do now for the rest of the day is just mix up some tile grout and start the process of basically filling all the joints of the tiles, get it done. I'm going to start in the kitchen area, work my way over across the living area and out, and same again, like when I was tiling it, I'm just going to chase myself out of the room, see how far I can get today. It's now gone lunchtime, so I don't know how far that will go, but I'm going to mix up a bucket and yeah, see how long it lasts. And then yeah, all goes well, the floor will be pretty much finished in the next couple of days. I hope so. I hope you guys are enjoying the videos anyway, and yeah, I'm going to crack on. See you guys in a bit.